Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota M7-171 premium tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with premium cab, heat and air. Tractor has just under 900 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. We traded the tractor in locally here, and the tractor has been stored inside. It has had a good home, and the tractor is in really nice shape. Again, does come with the LM2605 self-leveling quick attach front loader. The loader is plumbed for grapple. The tractor is the premium model, very well equipped. Has got the power shift transmission, front axle suspension, rear cab suspension, all the goodies on this machine. It does have the bucket that goes with it. The bucket has not seen a lot of use, and again, it is plumbed for grapple. As you can see, global cell hookup for your bucket connection, weight carrier up front here, and then again it does have the front axle suspension on it as well. Paint's nice and bright on the tractor. Does have corner post exhaust, has the single point connection here for your loader hose connections, mirrors on both sides of the cab, has the bar axles, Firestone radial tires, lots of work lights on the cab. Does have the buttons back here for 3-point rear hydraulic and PTO, and again it does have the cab suspension, 30-mile-an-hour transmission, 4 rear hydraulic hookups back here, has the ISO bus connection there, and again has the cab suspension, 540 and 1000 PTO capabilities. These buttons on both rear fenders. If you're looking for a clean tractor in this size range, certainly well worth a look. Engine is rated at, I think, at 168 with the boost. Buddy seat here for the for a passenger, has the air ride seat for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, has a left-hand power reverser which allows you to change direction without clutching. All your controls right here on the armrest of the seat, so everything is right at your fingertips. Has the large display screen there, climate controls, radio back behind you there, also some more electrical ports back there. Does have visibility window in the cab roof there. Very nice spacious cab. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.